No, you know, the Maverick cannot believe that this issue is back on the front burner again. This business of schoolgirls competing against schoolboys in schoolboy sports, specifically schoolgirl cricketers playing senior schoolboy cricket. Now, all of this is in a context of the continued quest for equality between men and women and between boys and girls. But again, until that elusive panacea arrives, I maintain that men and women and boys and girls should not be competing against each other in physical sporting activity. They can compete in non-physical activities such as schools challenge quiz or all-together sing. But any kind of matchup of physicality and or athleticism, boys must compete against boys and girls must compete against girls. Because boys are naturally faster and stronger than girls and therefore would enjoy an unfair advantage in any common physical competition. And likewise, boys should not compete in girls' sports because the girls would have to endure the converse disadvantage. As to the specific case of a schoolgirl not being allowed to play senior schoolboy cricket, there is no element of danger. Cricket in and of itself is a dangerous game. So if there is going to be a pronounced disparity in physical attributes that would put the girl at a higher level of risk than her male counterpart, then she should not be allowed to play. Sometimes we have to protect people from themselves and try not to lose sight of our good sense. Again, men and women can surely play with each other, but not against each other in competitive sports. Yes. In competitive sports we're talking about. Your mind too smutty. Yes. Take your mind out of the gutter. Boys and girls can play with each other, but not against it. Take your mind out of the gutter.